3, bullseye 10117. 3, pitchback, bonsai, target 1 point. Perfect. 16. 1 shot fast. 4, continue running cold, make sure you're above 15. For that airspace. Update, reference the bullseye, stay in the airspace. Check, 1 is 0 by 1, 4 point, check them out.
The 326, 4.8, dry 1 by 1.
3 is 2 by 1, 3.9.
2, target bullseye 05453, 29,000 short skate.
4 is spiked. East. And 4 is 4.4, 3 by 1. Four naked.
Say again.
Naked.
4 is targeted, pop up your bullseye, 05550.
Short skate.
Eagle 2, Fury 2, Fox 3, bullseye 07, 46.
4 reference cap.
1 spike.
4 spiked.
4 safe bearing.
Wait, was that my tail a second ago? Now it's off to the east.
1 exit left. 1 and 2 out left.
Three and 4, lean, east.
1 and 2, lean west. 3, target at 2's 6 o'clock for 17 miles, 29,000 hostile.
Four spiked east.
Copy, short skate.
Use Joker.
1.
Three reference cap.
1, reference 240. 4, central line north. Update 2, central line north.
3 commit short skate, north group.
1's 0 by 1.
2 0 by 1.
3 is about to rip 1.
Copy, 20 quids, cleans up the picture.
10-4, stay away.
Three is 2 by Fox 3, bullseye 04047, crank left. 3's bingo.
Copy, bingo. 3, you're cleared to start RTBing, just reference to point 1. 1 and 2, we're going to go ahead and get one more loft profile. 1, hot right.
Copy, 3 will be in the descent below 24.
Copy, 1, hot right. 2, target north group, short skate.
2.
One and 2, established above 24.
3 established low.
2, target bullseye 03444, 18,000 hostile.
2.
Two, split north group, 1 targeting south group, short skate.
2 targeted north group.
4, say gas.
2.6.
We'll take these shots and we'll rejoin with you on the way out.
Copy.
2, Fox 3, north group.
Three is pushing to 6. See you later.
Later.
Please confirm I'm going with you.
2, you got any missiles?
Confirm. 3 of them.
2's out of distance.
Fury request bullseye 30 to 10 block. Update request. 21.
4, you can keep fighting if you got fuel and gas.
Alright.
So can you target this guy? He's right under me. He's at like 9,000.
She's targeted. Looks like there's 2 of them bullseye 0946.
Copy, man. So you got him or not? 4, you got shots?
Negative, I just turned around.
4, target 2's point.
She's at 11,000.
Copy. We're all in separate blocks. Stay in your block. Shoot that guy in the face, please.
Street.
Eyeball Hostile Viper.
2 and 4, maintain your blocks. Two 4, snap, reference bullseye. Copy. Fury flight will be within 5 miles of bullseye for the RTB. 2, confirm visual.
Negative, stand by.
One will be at 23,000, 2, you're clear 24,000. 4, maintain 14,000 for now.
Dune's visual.
Rejoin fighting wing. Push 285.125. Fury fence out. 3, what altitude did your RTB at?
I'm at 17,000.
Copy.
For visual. 1 and 2.
4, you're clear to rejoin the Stinger.
4.
Okay, 1 mile trail.
4.
Copy, my bad. I think we have to push a different frequency for RTB. Anybody remember the freak we were on the way in?
6.
Copy, push 6. Top shake 1 is 3.0.
2 is 3.1.
2, sorry, Forest 2.7.
Copy. One's accelerating, sorry.
That's 2.7 for 4.
1.
And 1, they passed you a squawk of 3325.
3325 for 1, thank you. Reference 170.
Goose, good one.
1 is code 2, IFF.
4 is good 1.
3 is code 1.
2, you cleared off ops for ATIS.
2.
4.
That's 118 firm.
It gets back up. Apologize.
2-zip 15 over 6 goes past in the blind.
Good freak. 4, go with Alpha.
Altimeter 3021, runway 6. We have a broken layer at 3 and at 6. And the pattern is open, points Bravo and Delta.
1 has Alpha, thank you.
You said points Bravo and Delta only are open?
Affirm, Charlie is closed.
Copy.
Beautiful.
Reference, Deer 69. Game plan is we'll Bravo up initial, guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. 2, do you know what steer point Bravo is for us?
Steer point 56.
Forest 2.2.
4, what does your range page have you getting back to Point Bravo with?
Right now, 17.
1. Three, 1 on Ox. What RTB are you going to do?
They said Bravo is closed, so right now they just got me going down to 4K. We'll see what happens.
Copy. Bravo is closed.
I'll ask about the actual pattern.
Want me to listen to ATIS again?
4, you're clear. That's listen to this again.
4.
They said Bravo's re-entry only, pattern still open.
Copy, are we not doing re-entry at Bravo?
Beats me.
You want me to try ops again and see if I can get an answer?
Say again, 2.
You want me to try an ops and see if I can get an answer on that one?
Yeah, go ahead. 2, you're clear on ops. Figure out how we're going to get back there if we just need to train out for the ILS.
Yeah, the ATIS does say Bravo Delta re-entry, but...
Alright, there's an easy way to do this. Stand by. Four, drag, 4 miles, call that settled.
They have me going to Bravo for a pattern check.
T's back up. Opposite the last they heard. Last they heard, Bravo was open.
Copy all, we're going to stream out for the ILS. Four, call that settled.
4 is tied.
Say range back.
1.2 and slowing.
Copy.
One from 2. Did you tell me to check?
Negative, not yet.
Yeah.
Stand by, it's coming
I
on.
think scattered and broken.
Copy, we're going to train out for the ILS, dude.
LNAV, IAF, steer 87.
Say again.
LNAV, IAF, steer 87.
Copy all. Reference 0.87. Four, say range back.
3.5.
2, drag, call that settled.
2.
Two, confirm pad.
2 step.
One's a descent 4000, heading 180.
Confirm down to 4,000.
Affirm, down to 4000. We are vectors, heading 180.
Two seven.
1. Final descent check. One is 3021 set 2.1.
Two is 2.1, 3021 set.
0.8.
Two, strangle parent. When you guys land, remember to roll it out a little bit. They need 6,000 feet for the runway.
2.
Right. One slow and 250.
Was 1.7.
We'll get a minute. We're basically VFI at this point.